Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, I will be sharing with you legit typing jobs you can start today. They are flexible, they are remote, and they are hassle-free. You can do from anywhere. Before we dive in, I'm gonna ask you this big favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please don't click off the advertisements. Please allow them to play through, because this is how I get compensated for my hard work of putting together this information and sharing it with you. Okay, thank you so much. Let's dive in. Now let's be honest. Typing jobs might not sound particularly thrilling at first, but if you're someone who is tired of wasting time, scrolling aimlessly online, or if you're simply looking for a quiet, flexible side hustle you can do after work or during your child's nap, then you're in the right place. This isn't just another recycled list of so-called online opportunities. I've put in the work, filtered through the noise, verified the platforms, and gathered real typing jobs that are not only actively hiring right now, but also remote friendly and available worldwide. Yes, you can apply for them today. No gimmicks, no fluff. So if you've been looking for something simple, legitimate, and flexible enough to fit into your already packed schedule, then this might be your opportunity. Why typing jobs are worth your attention? Typing jobs are among the most accessible online gigs out there today. You don't need a degree, you don't need much experience. You just need a computer, or sometimes just a phone, an internet connection, and a bit of focus. Now, the reason why I say you don't need experience is this. I'm assuming that you're already online and you check your email and you send messages and you type out resumes, or you do a bit of typing online. That's all the experience you need, because you're already doing it. So why not get paid for it? You don't have to be an expert typer. You just need to have a bit of experience, which I'm assuming you already have. Okay? So best of all, they can be done from anywhere on your own time. You can make your own schedule. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone with a second stream of income, typing jobs offer an easy entry into the world of remote job. So the first on our list is Amara. Get paid to type subtitles while watching videos. Let me break that down for you. If you have decent typing skills and enjoy watching interesting content, Amara is an ideal place to start. This platform specializes in creating subtitles and closed captions for videos. What makes it stand out is the type of content you'll be working with. Think Ed Talks, educational materials, and even shows on Netflix. What you'll do, your job description, you'll be transcribing spoken words from videos into readable text. It's not customer service. There are no meetings, just you, your screen, and the video content. So most of the time that when you're watching big screen movies, or you're on YouTube watching a video, you see where you have the option to allow written words to be below the video that you can read while you're watching the movie or the video. That's what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna be transcribing spoken words from video into readable text. Why it's worth it? You can earn $3 to $7 per video minute, which adds up very quickly if you are consistent. This is great. $3 to $7 per video minute. This adds up pretty quick. It's completely remote and flexible. You can work during the day, at night, or whenever fits your schedule. No phone calls, no Zoom meetings, no pressure. So how to apply? Go to amara.org, create a free account and access the Amara On Demand portal. Upload 2 short video transcripts samples to demonstrate your accuracy. Complete the application form and wait for the approval. Here's a pro tip. Accuracy is key here. If you're not confident yet, Amara provides tutorials to help you improve before you dive in. Next on the list, Text Broker. Earn money writing simple content. This is another great remote job or side hustle. If you can type and string together clear, grammatically correct sentences, Text Broker is a gold mine. This platform connects freelance writers with companies in need of blog posts, product descriptions, and even simple reviews. And no, you don't need to be a professional writer or have published a novel. You just need to be able to write clearly and follow basic instructions. What you'll do, which is your description, once you sign up, you'll browse a marketplace of available writing jobs. You choose the ones that match your interests. Write the content, submit it for review, and get paid once it's approved. How much can you make? Beginners typically start at 1 to 5 cents per word, depending on writing level. Some writers earn $300 plus weekly writing part-time. That's awesome. Now, how to apply? Visit textbroker.com, click I want to write content. Register as an author and complete a brief writing sample. Want to boost your writing quality? Use free tools like Grammarly or Hemingway app to publish your content before submitting. This is a fantastic gig for busy students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone who wants to make money without a big commitment or upfront costs. Number 3 on our list is Fancy Hands. Get paid to be a virtual assistant. If you enjoy multitasking, staying organized, and helping others, Fancy Hands might be your new favorite side hustle. This platform pays you to complete simple virtual assistant tasks. No experience required. Typically, tasks include scheduling appointments, conducting quick research, booking travel, sending emails, making phone calls. Each task is straightforward and can often be completed in 15 to 20 minutes. How much can you make? Tasks typically pay $4 to $7 each, depending on complexity. If you can knock out several tasks in a day, you could be looking at $200 to $300 per day. Wow, that's great. How to get started? Visit fancyhands.com, scroll to the bottom and click Become an Assistant. Fill out the short application and start accepting tasks that match your skills. No resume, no interview, no problem. Just bring a willingness to help and stay communicative. You likely use tools like Google Calendar, email, and basic internet research. That's all skills which you probably already have. It's a great gig for night owls, busy professionals, or anyone wants to make an extra cash between errands. Here's my final thought. Start today and not someday. These are great gigs, great remote jobs that you can do from anywhere, and you probably already have the skills and qualifications to do these. As you can see, you definitely don't need something complicated or high-tech to start making money online. Sometimes the simplest opportunities are the most powerful if you take action. All three of these platforms, Amara, Text Broker, and Fancy Hands, offer legitimate, flexible work-from-home options you can start right now without any special credentials. If any of these roles resonate with you, don't let the opportunity slip by. Sign up, put in a few hours, and start building that second stream of income. Before you go, let us know which of these jobs you are most excited to try. Or have you already worked with any of them before? I'd love to hear about your experience. So drop a comment below, because the viewers who are watching, they would like to hear what your experience is like with any of these platforms. So please share your experience. And if this article helped you even a little, share it with someone else who might need it. These kind of real flexible opportunities are exactly what so many people are looking for, and your share could make a big difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. It helps more people discover real trustworthy jobs, and it supports this community in growing stronger every day. So please support. Here's to making money on your terms, quietly, flexible, and effectively. Hit that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be doing more videos like these and sharing them with you. Hopefully it will be able to help you guys who are watching. And please click on this like button to give us a like, and leave your comment below so that the viewer who's watching can benefit from your input. Look out for our next video, but until then, please be safe, and as always, may God bless your efforts.